Hi there. This I think is going to be the easiest part of our series. I'm going to just explain how to create our dodge event. So I'm going to start by get our a new import that's going to be our roll animation. So I'm going to just place it here in our imports folder. I'm going to get our Yukong skeleton just like this, and then I'm going to place the export settings as this one. Please make sure that you have the same export settings as me, just like this. And then I'm going to click in import all. This is the roll animation or dodge animation. As you can see here, I'm going to place our Unreal Engine back to full screen. So let's just place it here. And I think I'm going to get these animations here from the import, and I'm going to place this on our animation folder like this, move it here. And now I'm going to our Wukong character. Let's go to Paragon's Wukong, character, heroes, Wukong, and Sun Kong player character like this. And here I'm going to create our inputs for dodge. So let's start by going back to our Paragon Kong and controls and create a new input action. Input action. This one's going to be input underscore dodge, just like this. And let's go to our immersive file, create a new mapping that's going to be of the type input underscore dodge. And I think I'm going to be using the letter X's. I think this one's going to be work for me for now. And just remember that you can use any input you want. You don't need to use the same letters as me. You can use another control if you want. I just think that this one's going to work for me. So let's go back to our character. Here I'm going to grab our input underscore dodge, just like this. And let's see. Just like before, I'm going to grab our play montage, this first one, and I'm going to get our skeletal mesh and place this here. And I still need to create a montage, so let's go back to our animation folder. Here I'm going to create animation montage from the row animation and create a new montage. Let's name it dodge underscore montage. Like this. Let's select it. So now let's test this montage on our game. Let's go back to our game and let's see. I'm going to grab this tab and let's try to dodge. So yeah, there is no root motion. I'm going back to our animation because as one can see here, he used the dodge, but he actually go back to the same place as before. So let's go back to our animation, row animation. Here I'm going to search for motion and let's enable root motion, just like this. Save it, go back to our game, and now it should be working. As you can see here, it moves. So that's working for now. Let's see. I think yeah, I forgot to test it, but I think he can dodge without stopping, maybe. Let's see. No, he is not stop. He can't dodge without stopping. But if I'm going to set a stamina system after this, then he's going to be able to play this montage, play this event over and over again, costing stamina. So I'm going to just get rid of this problem now. I'm going to create a new variable that's going to be dodge, just like this. And from this, I'm going to create a branch, like this one. And then I'm going to place the dodge here. And then here at the end, I'm going to set dodge back to false, just like this. And now nothing changes. He's still able to dodge, I think. Let's see. is not able to dodge. That's because, yeah, I forgot. This is a not boolean. Not boolean, just like this. Well, that's for animation, but I still need to create our our immunity event. So basically, he is able to dodge, but if he is attacked at the same time, he's still going to be damaged when I create our first enemy. So I'm going to create a window for our immunity system. So let's go back to our montage that we created. Roll montage. Let's see here. Dodge montage after. So here I'm going to create a new notifier. That's going to be after and add notifier, new notifier, and I'm going to name it immunity like this. And let's see here. I'm going to start the immunity only when he gets into here. I think here I think is the best place. Frame 7, just like this. And I'm going to get a new notifier, a new notifier, and then end immunity, just like this. And I'm going to end the immunity when he gets into here, I think. Yeah, I think he is great. And let's save it. And I'm going to our state machine. Paragon Sulkong character riddles Sulkong state machine. And let's go to our event graph. And let's see here. I think I'm going to get our name notifier immunity. Not this one. Let's start with immunity. This one. I'm going to cast to our console their character. It's like this. Actually, like this. And then for the object, I'm going to get our phone owner. So let's get 2 times. Actually, one time is enough. Just like this. And let's see. So I'm going back to our Sunkong player character, and here I'm going to create a variable for immunity. This variable is not going to be used right now, but once you set up our damage system, then he is going to check if he is in immunity, and if he is immune, he's not going to receive any damage. So I'm going to just compile, save it. I'm going to use this as instance edited, and then expose on spawn, just like this. Compile and save it. Let's go back to our state machine. I'm going to get our immunity and set immunity here and here. So when he is in immunity, he's going to set this to true, and then back to false. Like this. There is a problem here. Let's see. Immunity. Yeah, I forgot to do this. Just select this pointer here, compile, save it. So I'm going back to our Sunkong player character, and just to test it, I'm going to get our event tick, and then I'm going to print a string that's going to be our immunity, just to check if it is working. So let's compile, save it, go back to our game. Let's see, I'm going to play our dodge, and as you can see, he's dodging. Actually, it's best to see this if I just use delay here. Delay, let's see, that is enough. Let's go back to our game. Just like this. As you can see, there is a window where he gets the immunity when he is dodging. Just like this. And now I think this covers our dodge system for now. It's going to have a few modifications once you get our stamina system running, and once he gets our damage system as well. So let's keep like this for now, and thanks for watching.